What is up, losers? So I am back with another unboxing, and it is this guy right here. Why am I doing it? Well, because, and this is not sponsored in any way. It is something that I've needed for my computer. And I really needed some type of extension, especially for I've got two different types of computers. I've got the MacBook Pro. I've also got a Samsung computer, laptop, and both of those basically are only USB-C ports. So I need some type of device that I can attach, maybe some older peripherals that are USB-A type, as well as sometimes I need to get the Ethernet cable, pop it in there to get a little more speed out of it. Sometimes it's not so much the case anymore, but other things. So what I went and bought was this Series 5 from Anker. We'll put a price right up here, what I bought it for. And we're going to go ahead and open this up and see if we can take a look at it. So first and foremost, I see a lot of engraving in here. It's really interesting. I don't know if you can see it, but there's I don't know if it's engraved or if it's embossed on there. It's kind of cool. Anyway, let's go ahead and begin the unboxing. This is what we get. All right, so in here, this is pretty stout packaging. Let me open this up. If you enjoy that kind of noise, soundage. Happy and a welcome guide. Happy. Tell your friends and family. Well, I'm telling pretty much everybody who watches this, all 30 of you. Now, what's really interesting is if you look at this, we're just happy that you're happy. Yay. If you don't know how to express your newfound joy, we've got a few suggestions, right? It says it right here. But then I look over here. Oh, happy, not happy. So not happy. Okay, I get it. So the intent is if you're happy and you know it, clap your, never mind. So happy. All right, now your welcome guide, 6-in-1 USB-C PD Ethernet hub. All right. At a glance, multi-pages here in descriptions in multiple languages. Welcome guide walks you through all that. There's this cute little cardboardy sleeve that you can put your Anker device in. So it looks like you get the entire bag to put your Anker device in. And then there's another sleeve to put a pen or, I don't know, the cable? We'll see. All right, let's go ahead and look at the device itself. So USB-C connection to your device, which is exactly what I need. But what do we have here in your connection? You have an HDMI connection. You have your 5 gigabits per second USB-C connection. This looks like your pass-through power delivery in. That's the little Thunderbolt item there, but that is a USB-C. And lastly, on the back side here, 5 gigabits per second, USB, I believe 3.0 at least. A connections here. So you got your A's that you may need, like I might need on my computer. You've got your HDMI connection if you want to go out. You got your power delivery and you got your 5 gigabits per second, so you can plug in something else that might be USB-C connected. And then lastly, Ethernet connection. All right, so this is basically going to save me a lot of time in having to try and use things like this guy here. This is one of my hard drives that I use. So now I can connect my hard drive directly to my computer, or I can connect it to this device and have it pass through and into the computer while I still use these other ports. So it allowed me to use one of the ports on the computer, on either one of the computers, to use multiple devices. Multitude of peripherals where I need them to be connected to my computer via USB-A type of connection. These guys right here. So this is not my first rodeo with the Anker devices. I actually have some other devices that are by them. They are usually a very quality company. They do really good with their products that I've seen so far. So I'm going to do a product review on this after a period of time of using it. And once I do, I will provide that. But at this moment, I'm quite happy to have this device here to use for my computer. Hopefully it'll work out just fine across both my computers. If you like this unboxing, and then if you want this to see this into a further review, please go ahead and leave me some comments down below. If not, I'm still going to do the review anyway, to be honest, because I still want to judge this product and make sure it's a good product for people. I do not want to have a product that I am opening and unboxing that I haven't fully checked out. Now, I'm not an expert in any way, shape, or form in checking things out, but from the average guy, I'm going to be able to put this through a bit of a ringer. You know, I'm going to run some USB-A type devices off of this and make sure that I'm able to fully utilize this device. I'm going to actually plug it into an HDMI so I can use my other monitor. I'm just going to check everything out about this to make sure that I think it's worthwhile using, in my own opinion. Okay? So cool. Appreciate your time. Thank you very much, and peace.